how to change the oil in a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. You're gonna need exactly 6 quarts of 5W20 filter. This is a cartridge filter. You're gonna need a ratchet with a 13mm socket, a ratchet with a 24mm socket, a funnel. So first, pull the dipstick, wipe it off. There, we are not even on the dipstick. Gonna need a drain pan.
Drain pan.
This is the oil pan. That bolt right there is the drain plug. We're gonna take that out and drain the oil. There we go. Alright.
Now while the oil's draining, we'll take the filter out. Our old filter, new filter, and it comes with a new O-ring. Pops out. Goes on like so. Filter. Put it back in.
Alright, so it's fully drained. We've got a drain plug here. We have a washer on it. Make sure your drain plug has the washer on it, because if it doesn't, it's going to leak oil. So we're just going to hand spin it in there.
Now take the oil cap off. Just 1/4 of this. Cap on. We're gonna start the car and hold it at 3,000 RPMs for about 10-15 seconds. So you get to where the screen says oil life remaining, using like these buttons. Just cycle through a menu until you find this, and press the gas 3 times quickly. Hey, there we go. I actually didn't know that until like 5 seconds ago. That's what the internet said. That's what YouTube's for. Alright, yeah, we're on it. The dipstick. You can kind of see it. It's
Yep.
clear. Right? Yeah, so we're good. Like and subscribe.